All right, we're live. All right, we're skipping. All right, hello chat. We're skipping the intro. Or Hudson, pull up the screen again. Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream. We're skipping the intro because we have a tornado warning for the Freedom area in. So this is Oklahoma. We cover Oklahoma. This is until 12 a.m. So midnight. This is an area rotation that's been picking up recently. We've been watching it. And now it's starting to uptrend enough for the National Weather Service in Norman to issue a tornado warning. In Woods County. You can see we do got a. I was talking about this from when it started, pretty much, but you can see right here, this this clockwise area rotation here, and it just started to weaken a little bit. It looked like it did, but we still do have enough, I'd say, to warn a tornado warning. Join the live stream. Yeah, you're looking at you're looking at the wrong radar. You're not you're too far away on that radar. Yeah. Open the live stream. No, Oklahoma Weather Now live stream. But this is a area rotation that is quite I mean when we're looking at setups like this is the type of setup to produce a tornado that you don't know is coming. Thankfully, we do not think we have that because when we look at our debris tracker, we do not have anything. Everything should be normal in the air right now. We likely are not seeing anything in the air that shouldn't be. We're not seeing any debris. But right now, everything is good with the actual tornado on the ground. However, this thing could drop one. Wait, who said hi Hudson to you, by the way? But this we got a couple area rotations here, and it's honestly uncertain if what one they did actually want to issue that tornado warning for. So any of these are rotations enough to warrant a tornado warning. So. Actually, it's Valiant. I don't know. It's kind of uncertain.
So, no, no, so if you look at Taloga, it doesn't mention Edmond on there. So, oh shoot, okay, see, I might be getting hit around 2:12 a.m. So yeah,
Look at
2:12 a.m. is going when I'm going to get hit.
all right. Look at what I say. Okay, I'm in the chat now.
Alright. So, yeah, I'm not going to sleep. I'm gonna be staying up.
But these areas of rotation are all going to be capable of producing tornadoes. So, and if you're anyone in this tornado warning, please seek shelter because you could be hit by one rotation and then another rotation and then another rotation.
Yes. So, and if all the mothers say to their children, now it's not a good time to go back to bed.
Look, I said something in the chat. I'm not in the chat. I said a weekend on the most recent scan.
LOL, wind bad. 78 miles per hour, good. Small hills better than softball or baseball. And obviously, I really agree with him. I really agree with him on that part. I met this guy just where he's a
You're looking at the wind that's moving towards the east, towards the radar.
I met this guy on Archidite on Washington.
Let's just make sure, because it still has an easterly push, doesn't it? Southeast.
Wait,
All right, what it looks like is so our main area of rotation here is now right here. Maybe a couple more starting to pop right here. And yeah, maybe here. But still, don't mind the gif I sent you, Hudson, by the way.
The circulation doesn't appear to be. Let's go back to velocity data here. And it's not super tight. It's not. It's definitely not. I mean, I can easily find it's 50 to 70.
So this is our only tornado warning we have right now, and this is tracking southeast. Let's point here. How fast did they put that warning on?
that guy, he's actually a storm chaser, so I'm telling you, like, where to do that.
How fast is the storm?
The blue on that map there, that's going to be Nichols and Dime's quarters. Again, mainly small hills, but also winds.
What is the storm moving at?
With the darker blue being pockets of 8.
Hudson, what is the storm moving at?
Where's the storm moving at?
No, what's the storm moving at?
This one? It's about 20.
Okay. I gotta draw this. Yep, tornado warning continues.
Still radar indicated, but
Enid, 1 o'clock in the morning. Enid Airport, 7, Saturday in Kremlin, 111, Breckenridge, 112, and
All right, let's get this. There we go. So, Avard, this area, this storm is gonna be at Avard around 12:31 a.m.
think about Norman later tonight. Somebody say that. What do we think about Norman tonight?
I think
is certain that Norman is going to get hit.
All right, let's redraw that. There we go.
It is certain that Norman is going to get hit at 2 a.m. I think so. But
Okay. But so this area rotation is just huffing and puffing. We're seeing what it's gonna do. Okay, let's see here. Let's get a little bit of debris up there.
This guy, I met him in that server there, and he's a storm chaser.
Maybe a little bit of a debris signature starting to pop up here. I wouldn't be a whole too much confident about it, but maybe we've got a little bit of a debris signature starting to pop up. Hold on, go to the stream.
If I am, somebody said if I am in Edmond, I might be okay. I'm in Edmond too, and I would say that you are not going to be okay.
No, he's gonna be okay. Primary threats are strong with. Look at what I'm drawing though. Look, we might have a debris signature. Oh, never mind. It just disappeared. Our debris signature's gone. No, the new scan just made it disappear. It's gone now.
Yeah, I doubt that. I doubt he's gonna be. Yeah, you're gonna be okay, but the main reference is strong wind.
By the way, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning that includes Alva, Cherokee, Burlington, Hoatika, Medford. So this thing is going down towards the radar, and you can see we do just got this long.
Bro, look at Tom's speed. Look at that. Look at the traffic light swing. See that? And dude, look at that wind. Look at that wind. Somebody. Oh, Skylar said, "Is Edmund going to get bad weather tonight?" Of course, my friend. Yes. Bro, we are. I mean, I'm in the Edmond area, and see. Okay, South Haven, you're going to get hit now. Cadwell at around 11:42. Renfro at around 11:50. Alva around 11:51. Northwest Oklahoma State University. I think night classes are canceled. Are they? I mean, they should cancel class for students, and this is gonna get awful. You should be fine. Wind is the main concern along school. Yeah.
Okay, so so we're not seeing any signatures on reflexivity at this moment. However, this area of rotation right here, it's starting to become a little bit contaminated. It looks like contaminated. Yeah. Yeah, that might. I might call that contaminated. I think that's definitely contaminated. So yeah, that might be weakening just a little. Yeah, that rotation just died in an instant. I called. Yeah, that's mainly dead for now. But I think they could mainly cancel that tornado warning.
So yeah.
Just bring it back down just a little bit. I'm just thinking colony for sure, and or you could just pivot it. But yeah, and looking at some of the data here, this is what we talked about during our 10 o'clock newscast of winds upwards of 90 miles per hour, certainly, and that will include again Oklahoma City. Okay, so
new area rotation starting to form. Okay. We have a new area of rotation starting to form just outside of that tornado warning. I'm watching it closely because this could be our next tornado warning actually soon here. Wait, pull up my screen. Pull up my screen. Yep, they did. I think they just went. I think they just tornado one that I'm watching. Pull my screen, my stream.
Oh, knew it, bro. I just called. Oh yeah, right there. I just called it. You just called it, bro. I call it dibs. I don't call it dibs.
Yeah, we're gonna see when that updates. Maybe that's the right area rotation. I don't know. Wait, no, it's way more. It's more down south. I didn't call that, and neither did you. We got a new tornado warning for Winona. So here, if you're anywhere in this warning, you need to be seeking shelter. This is in Woods County. Woods County. So if you're over here, wait, can you maybe watch both streams at once, News 9 and my stream?
Oh yeah, we can make that up. The national orders are news 4. Yeah. So, okay,
Wait, make there be two streams. Make there be two streams on the screen at once.
I know some of you are now in bed tonight, but you guys need to get out of bed. Oh yeah. Okay, look, right there. Look at Waynoka. This is just right near Waynoka. I say the side right here near Waynoka.
Pull up both streams at once. Make sure.
We can make that happen.
Yeah, do it then.
Yeah, we can make that work.
Okay. But you can see right here, just near Minota. Actually, we got a little bit of a anywhere along this leaning edge here. This is where the rotation could be. Yeah, with the new scan even.
I'm in more in a second floor apartment. What the heck am I going to do? Somebody don't freak out. Okay, if you're in an apartment, I think what you need, okay, what do you do if you're in an apartment during a tornado warning? What do you do? Somebody said, I'm in more of a second floor apartment. What the heck am I going to do? Isaiah, what should I do if you're in a, I think, oh wait, I think it looked near Waynoka. Look, I think there's a potential hook near Waynoka.
Okay.
So somebody said I'm in more, and I'm in a second floor of an apartment. What the heck should I do?
Okay. You can see, yeah, you can see we do got that decent hook echo forming, literally practically right on top of Winoka. So if you're in Winoka, you guys need to be seeking shelter. This is definitely capable of dropping a tornado. And if it does drop a tornado, you're not gonna see it. You're not gonna see the tornado if. I believe they did just issue news to be a thunderstorm warning.
Literally, I'm about to get some coffee right now.
Okay.
Thomas 12.14, Lambert 12.6.
So what are the red boxes?
The win six. Devon, you guessing and most of nine. Okay, let's go back down to Toledo here. There's the hook. The Gus Front, pretty cool presentation here. The luck one on this map. You can sit watch this for hours. That
Those are the final ones people are asking.
That's the
So there's that.
Gus Front. From the north direction.
But this is by far one of our most concerning storms as of right now here. But by the way, we do got a new severe thunderstorm warning that includes areas like Alva, Cherokee, Moreland, Winoka, Sealing, and Vinci. So make sure you're safe. Make sure you're getting indoors and away from windows if you're in this area. Man, look at this hook.
1, 2, 3 miles southeast of Winoka. Okay. And shear rate. Let's look at it.
Okay, weather now on this.
All right, go to SRD. Let's see what SRD is like. Yeah. Yeah, it's much muddier picture than it was.
Yeah, this area rotation. Yeah, it looks like
Yeah, right here.
our area rotation is just. You can see this area of rotation is just along this leaning edge here.
Okay, weather now spotter. Okay, weather now spotter. Somebody said,
And it doesn't matter, they're all over the state now.
I'm gonna go to sleep. Watch. Somebody said, welcome to Oklahoma. You're right. Welcome, more like welcome to tornado. Welcome to tornado out.
It's been feeling like we're in Wyoming though.
Sounds like it.
This is still the Gus Front. Carmen at 12:50. I think it'll be weakening by the time it gets here.
Winoka, I think the area rotation is done in the Winoka area. So, Winoka, do not get out of your shelter yet. We will tell you when you can get out of your shelter. But Winoka, the rotation is past. Because we don't want this to occlude or anything and be on top of you. What?
We got something on, look at the bottom left. Look at your left screen. I'm scared. Don't be scared. Be prepared.
Pull up Ryan's stream.
No, I want to watch this. I want to watch.
Looks like we do have a little, we do have a quite big windbag right here, just near Avard as well.
He said, I study what person people and look at models. I do 100% think we got some power. I do 100% think storms will be severe in OKC around 2 to 4 a.m. But I think it's going to be more than 60, 75 miles per hour, maybe 80. Do you think we should trust him or no?
Yeah. Yeah, because I do know he's right.
I mean, he is right because he studies models.
So do I.
Wow. I don't really study models, but I do know some of them. But for my predictions, I think it's mainly going to be 80 miles per hour. That's my prediction. It's like taking a random guess.
Okay, so here's our rotation.
I live in Woodward. Ooh. We got somebody saying that they actually live in Woodward. Holy, that's a big SPR. If you're in Woodward, you're in a severe thunderstorm warning, so I would advise you to take shelter for that.
So here's the rotation currently right now near Winoka. I think something happened to the stream. You should probably check on the stream.